Say hello.
Hello.
We're going to do something crazy! Haven't vlogged in a while. I thought I would bring you along on our Sunday adventure. We're going to the Civic Center, and there's gonna be something cool there. We haven't met our new pet, but we might be getting a new pet right now if we can find something. I hate my hair in a ponytail on the camera. I feel like I look like a potato. But
You look like a potato.
we're going in.
I ate some potatoes yesterday.
Matt made mashed potatoes last night and they were really good. We're going in. Look at these little baby turtles. They're
He's
so
walking all on their food. Look at that guy ducking in his shell.
Hello. Look, these look like they're melted. Hello. How's it going?
Fucking hair.
So we got a new little pet in there. Can you see him?
Two of them.
There's two of them. You can kind of see them.
Making more weirdos.
How do you feel to be the new proud owner of a tarantula?
We're weirdos.
We did not buy one tarantula, but two tarantulas.
When you go in for one thing and you wind up with multiple.
Yeah, and then we got to go to the pet store, or Michael's, and get some things because we're going to make them new homes.
Yep.
Yep. Oh,
We gotta do it tonight because this guy can't live in that little container.
oh yeah. He probably could live in there for a little bit, but we're going to get them proper new mansion homes.
Probably not mansions, but
It'll be mansions to them.
a decent size. A
Decent.
respectable size.
Respect. I don't even know if it's on me because I'm using my back camera, so hopefully it is.
Probably not.
Is it on me?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not a terrible vlogger. Anyways, now we're off to drop these guys home because they can't stay in the car because it's 107, 106 degrees out.
It's too hot for them.
Too hot. So here's our new little pet number 1. Focus on him. He is a Carabiner Vesicolor Antilles Pink Toe. He's gonna look really cool when he gets big. He's just a little baby. It's a sling. Here's pet number 2. He's still eating his mealworm, Matthew.
Is it?
Look, he's like standing all the way up. Whoa, what is he doing? Try not to show you in your underwear. I gave him a mealworm before we went off, and now he's like standing all the way up. That's so weird.
Did you change the color?
Nope. So we're gonna attempt to feed our little guy. He's in the lid.
Put the cricket. It's coming out. Put the cricket in there.
And we got him a little cricket. Turn him this way so we can see. Oh God, he's out. He bolted.
It's alright.
Like it scared me.
Back in.
It scared me for a second. He's gonna get me. He's getting on me.
Megan, you wanted to hold him.
I'm scared. It's on me. It's on me.
Alright.
It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. It's on
You
me.
just gotta keep moving him back and forth between your hands.
It tickles. Oh my goodness. I have a tarantula. It tickles, Matthew. It tickles.
Well, put your hand up there.
Oh, he's fast.
Yeah, he is.
All right, so let's get him
Put
back.
him back in there.
He's gonna run away. Can you see?
You gotta wiggle it a little bit.
No, 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 no. It was on me.
Now he's on me again. Just put him in the lid.
You're not hungry? Nope. You don't want it. Let him walk on you. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to put this guy into his new temporary house that Matt has made beautifully. I'm kind of scared. Can I have the chopstick or something?
Here.
Oh god. I am so nervous.
Oh shit, what about the couch?
That's a sound. Me not holding you back. So I just do this. Get that lid ready with the lid. And you're in lid control.
First time.
Okay. Nope. Oh! Okay.
Did he grab onto it?
Yep.
He attacked it?
I don't know what he did. Okay.
I mean, you can put it in there and then we can do it from the top.
Okay. We're fine. We're okay. Come on into your new home. There we go. Gently now. Oh, come on. Into your new home.
You gotta get his back legs off.
Come on now, you're almost there. We did it. Put the lid on. We did it! Woo! Get him from the side. How does he look in there?
Lift it up.
Oh, how cool is he in there now? Do you like your new house? That's all for you. What did we decide to name him?
There was top.
Here he is in his new house on the fireplace. We don't know if we did it right. The substrate is kind of damp because we just put it in there, but it's got a lot of ventilation, so it should dry out nicely, and then we'll just mist it. He's got a little water dish back there, and we're gonna try to feed him again to see if he's hungry, and we want him to feel nice and happy in his new home. And then we got Mr. runs a lot. He's finally taking a break. Forrest? Okay. And then this is our first guy that we got. We've had him for about a week now. This is a Guyana Pinto. We've already fed him before. He's a good eater. That was dramatic. I think I have some video clips I can put in of that. Now drop.
He's outside.
I see him.
Oh my god! That scared the fuck out of me, Megan.
You gotta let it go.
I did. It's. Oh my god.
Oh. He got it. Is that your heart? My heart.
Oh man.
Well, that's what you wanted, right?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna make him a new enclosure tomorrow. This guy is good to stay in here for a while because he's so small. There he is. He's decided to give himself a bath. The glare. Oh, did you see those fangs? I would say he likes his new home. That glare though, I'm sorry. We got Teeny here. We got him in his new little enclosure. He's webbed up a lot in there. We got a little pinhead cricket somewhere in here. Where is it? I haven't seen this guy eat yet, so hopefully, should I just drop it on his web?
Yeah.
Alright, he's on the web. Oh, he got it, nephew! He got it! Oh, yes! He got it! Oh, yeah! Oh, yes!
Good.
Yeah! I don't know if my camera got it, but he went after him. There we go! We were scared that he was gonna be too big. As you can see, like, the cricket is almost the same size as Teeny here, but he got him! Yes!
Don't smash his web. You just put it on where his legs touch it. Like when he squirms. Oh, great. Is it stuck in the web?
Yeah. Oh, he got it. Did you see that?
Kinda.
He got it?
No.
What's
He just got it. He just had it.
Oh.
It's not a great shot though.
Look at my little friend. He likes to wander around on me. Get my little friend. Now, look at what this guy has done to himself. Whoa. This used to be an opening. He has sealed himself in there. So we're assuming he's in pre-molt, so he's molting. Should be coming out like, hey guys, new me, new life. We changed out his leaves, so he's got new fresh leaves, changed his water, so he's got a fresh space for his fresh self.